Meaning of enhancement.
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 Enhancement. Enhancement means an improvement or increase in quality, quantity, or value. It denotes a process of refining or augmenting something to make it more effective or desirable. The result of enhancement can take many different forms depending on the context, but generally results in an overall improvement in performance, functionality, appearance, or usability. Enhanced products or services may provide greater convenience, efficiency, accuracy, or attractiveness to the end user. In short, enhancement refers to any positive change that adds value to a given system, process, or product.